The OnePlus 12 has been reviewed as the coolest phone you can buy, if you dare. It stands out with its cool look and design and offers amazing battery life and stellar performance. The unique cameras take terrific portraits and selfies, and it's priced competitively at $799.991. Let's delve into a detailed review of the OnePlus 12, which has been making waves in the smartphone market. For more videos on tech and finance, slice the like button and subscribe. Anyways, here we go. For design and build quality, the OnePlus 12 is a statement to the brand's commitment to design excellence. It features a sleek and modern look that sets it apart from the competition. The phone's variant, in particular, has received high praise for its eye-catching appearance. The build quality is solid, with a glass front and back encased in an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel in hand. However, it's worth noting that the device is only splash-resistant and not fully waterproof, which might be a concern for some users. OnePlus has equipped the 12 with a stunning 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, boasting 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ support. The screen's brightness can reach up to 1,600 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. With a resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels and a pixel density of 510 ppi, the display offers sharp and vibrant visuals that are a pleasure to behold. The OnePlus 12 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone can handle it all with ease. The device comes with various storage options, with the top model offering a whopping 512 GB of internal storage and 16 GB of RAM, catering to even the most demanding users. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the OnePlus 12's camera setup. The main camera features a high-end Sony sensor, complemented by a large sensor ultrawide with autofocus and a 3x telephoto lens capable of delivering impressive 6x shots. The camera system is versatile and capable of taking stunning portraits and selfies, making it a strong contender in the photography department. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 12 is its battery life. The phone houses a 5,400 mAh battery, which is a significant increase from its predecessors. Coupled with a 100W charger, the device promises speedy top-ups, ensuring that you won't be tethered to a charging port for long. The OnePlus 12 runs on Oxygen OS, which is known for its clean and user-friendly interface. However, as of the latest updates, the software hasn't seen any significant changes since the phone's release. This might be a downside for users looking for the latest features and improvements in their smartphone experience. While the OnePlus 12 excels in many areas, it falls short in terms of durability and software updates. The phone doesn't offer the same level of robustness as some of its competitors, and the frequency of software updates is less than what you would receive from brands like Samsung, Google, or Apple. The OnePlus 12 is a formidable smartphone that offers a great balance of design, performance, and camera capabilities. It's a device that stands out for its cool factor and is recommended for those who prioritize these aspects over AI features and extreme durability. The phone is competitively priced, making it an attractive option for those looking for a high-end smartphone experience without breaking the bank. For those considering the OnePlus 12, it's a purchase that won't disappoint, especially if you're drawn to its unique design and powerful performance. However, if you're someone who values long-term software support and a rugged build, you might want to explore other options in the market. Overall, the OnePlus 12 is a strong player in the flagship space and a worthy choice for many smartphone users.